Ever wondered how a simple bunch of flowers can transform into a breathtaking centerpiece? Well, you're in the right place. Hi there. I'm Rosie, your flower enthusiast, and welcome to 416 Flowers, where we speak the language of love and friendship through flowers. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of flower arrangement. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. We've got a plethora of flower-related content that's sure to inspire, educate, and entertain. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Flower arranging is an art, a science, and a beautiful way to express your creativity. Whether you're preparing a bouquet for a birthday, an anniversary, or just because, the right arrangement can make all the difference. Now, I know it can seem daunting, but trust me, with a little guidance, anyone can create a stunning floral display. So, stick with me as we go step by step through the process, from choosing the right flowers to the final touches that make your arrangement truly unique. And remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about expressing yourself and creating something that brings joy to you and those around you. So let's get started and create some magic together. All right, my flower enthusiasts, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and feel inspired to create your own floral masterpiece. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity bloom. Before we wrap up, I want to give a shout out to 416 Flowers, your best choice for flower delivery in the Greater Toronto area. With fast, same-day delivery options, deliveries 7 days a week, and the best prices, they're the go-to for all your flower needs. So for your next flower order, head over to 416flowers.com. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more flower-filled content. Until next time, keep blooming and spreading love, one flower at a time.